Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Hacoo and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Hacoo app and you can Hacoo app. Then you will install your app and you will install it again.